money back and claiming that the car was a lemon. What's wrong with the car, the dealer asked. It seemed fine when you drove it off. Well, how about the fact that it doesn't run, the man replied in frustration. To prove his point, he got in the car, turned the key ignition on, and the car just sat there. Suddenly, the dealer noticed a little red light on the dashboard. He asked the angry customer, have you been to the gas station? The salesman said, you have to put gas in the car, it won't run. The little red light on the dashboard indicates how much gas you have or don't have in your case. Some call it an idiot light. And you obviously didn't pay any attention to it. And there's nothing wrong with a car that some gasoline won't fix, so get a refill. Your marriage masterpiece will not and does not happen accidentally. Satan the deceiver wants to make us wonder if it's all worthwhile, because we do have challenges.